In the silent dawn of the North Pole, a little elf named Liri hurried through the snowy halls of Santa's workshop. He carried a golden envelope that shimmered even in the dim light of magical lanterns. Liri entered the toy design room, where hundreds of elves worked tirelessly. The clanging of hammers and laughter filled the air. Yet, everyone fell silent when they saw the envelope he brought. Liri searched for Santa throughout the workshop. He finally found him sitting by a large table, reviewing the list of children from around the world. His kind eyes lifted to see the little elf, who was trembling with excitement. Santa opened the envelope carefully. Inside was a message written with letters of light. The magic is weakening. Find a spark of wonder before Christmas Eve. Santa frowned, worried. The reindeer, resting in their soft snow stable, sensed the unease in the air. Dasher tilted his head while Rudolph gently lit his red nose, illuminating the message Liri had carried. Santa gathered his council of elves. Liri, though small, was invited to participate. He proposed a mission: travel to the Shining Mountain, where ancient sparks of wonder had been stored by generations of winter spirits. The reindeer prepared to depart. Liri settled in between the reins of the sleigh, trembling not from cold, but from excitement. Santa took the reins, and with a joyful ho, 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 the sleigh soared into the starry sky. The shining mountain gleamed with blue and silver lights. Liri descended from the sleigh and ventured into a cave where a winter spirit awaited him. This being handed him a small luminous sphere, the spark of wonder. Back at the workshop, the spark shone so brightly that the whole place was illuminated. The toys began to move with joy, the tools sounded like bells, and even the reindeer leaped with renewed energy. Santa placed the spark in the heart of the great tree in the workshop. A wave of magic swept across the North Pole. Liri, proud and happy, watched as everyone regained their Christmas spirit. And so, thanks to the brave elf, Christmas was saved once again.